Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a minimal HTML scaffold and adding the meta viewport so the browser maps CSS to device width. Use semantic elements and a linked CSS file. This matters because screen readers and layout flow depend on structure. Start mobile first. Set base font sizes in rem, use percent and flexible widths. Once done, define a central container and simple flex or grid rules for default narrow screens. Make adjustments later with media queries when the layout needs more space. You now convert the base layout into a responsive system using Flexbox or Grid because those let elements reflow without hacky floats. Start adding min-width media queries at 480px, 768px, and 1024px to expand two-column or multi-column layouts. For each breakpoint, tweak gaps, font size in rem, and padding so proportion stays natural. Make images and videos fluid with max width, 100% and object fit, cover, and use CSS clamp or calc for smoother type scaling across screens. You finish by testing in real devices and browser dev tools, verify touch target sizes and keyboard navigation. Once confident, optimize, compress images, remove unused CSS, and use async loading patterns for scripts so layout paints fast. If layouts break, inspect specificity and cascade, confirm box sizing is border box, and add sensible fallbacks for older browsers. Troubleshooting tip. If a breakpoint behaves oddly, temporarily outline elements and toggle rules to isolate the broken selector or inherited value so you can fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.